Not sure how to get a medical marijuana recommendation in Pennsylvania? With My MMJ Doctor, the entire evaluation process is online and secure through our HIPAA-compliant platform. Here's how to get started. Head to mymmjdoctor.com and select Pennsylvania as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment, then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details, such as your address, birth date, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. It helps our licensed doctors get a clearer picture of your needs. A pop-up will then appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed medical professional in Pennsylvania is then scheduled immediately. Most consultations are brief, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. Once clinically approved, the physician submits your medical marijuana certification to the Pennsylvania Department of Health Medical Marijuana Program Registry. Your medical marijuana ID card is then sent to you by mail, allowing you to purchase medical cannabis from state-licensed dispensaries. So, take the first step toward calm, informed care from the comfort of your home with mymmjdoctor.com and let natural healing become an integral part of your everyday life.